Dear friends, let's make besan biscuits which are crunchy and delicious. These are very easy to make and can be made under 40 minutes. These are the ingredients required for making this. Now the nuts I'm using is optional and as per your liking. We will take semi-solid ghee and add castor sugar into it. Mix it well and add the gluten-free flour or plain flour in 2 to 3 batches. After that, you can add the suji. You can replace the suji entirely with besan. Besan, it is better to sieve because they may have lumps, and you may also use a slightly roasted besan if you don't like that kacha taste of besan. Sieve all of them in, mix all together, elaichi powder, a pinch of salt and a little bit of the nuts, baking powder, baking soda, and with your hands mix them all very well till they start coming together. But since we have to roll out biscuits out of this, we will add milk. That depends on the quantity you have taken. I had to take almost 3/4 cup of milk. Bit by bit you add, keep on adding milk and see if the dough is coming together into a soft mass. Once the bowl is clean and all of it has come into a soft mass, we'll roll out small biscuits of any shape that is up as per your liking, square or round, or then we will put just like this, and we will put some pista or badam on top of them, on top of each of them. This I am doing it directly on the tray because this is a non-stick baking tray, and bake at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, depends on the thickness of the biscuit also. Now they have turned out very crunchy and yummy and crackly. This is how they are looking from the interior. So please do try out this naan khatai type of biscuit, these besan biscuits, and serve it to your family. Please do share and subscribe to Gluten Free India. Thank you.